Have you ever wondered if there is a plant that is a real secret ally of tomatoes? In this short and useful video you will learn what you did not know. Many gardeners have their own little trick. They plant a special plant next to tomatoes and swear that without it there are no healthy or tasty fruits. Its scent repels pests, attracts bees and beneficial insects, and at the same time improves the taste and aroma of tomatoes. Imagine fruits that are juicier, more aromatic and longer lasting, all thanks to a plant that you can plant today. You may have had it in your kitchen, maybe you have made tea or a spice from it, but next to tomatoes it shows its true power. This plant makes tomatoes healthier, more resistant and gives you a bountiful harvest, and the plant we are talking about is basil, so don't forget, plant basil next to tomatoes and enjoy healthier and tastier fruit. Subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends so they can discover this little gardening secret too.